I would just say how much retention on the DF64 version 2 without using bellows. You know, I have no idea. Okay. You know what? Who wants to see it? Yeah. First, I'm gonna flush it first. Okay, just make sure nothing's inside. Okay. Nothing's inside. Let's check out the retention on DF64V. 18 gram going in. Okay. We're gonna go without the bellow. It looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go quick pump. That's it. 18.1 gram. 2, but you know what? I mean, I consider it as a pretty much no retention, guys. Okay. I mean, that's pretty good there. I'm very curious. How much, if I'm going to use the bellow, I'm just gonna go at it. There's not much there, guys. It's not much. Okay. So comes to retention, they're really good.